the weather strip of any car normally worn out when the car ages. Its rubber seal starts to crack, break and torn out, and is not really nice. But the good thing is, even if you are not so technical person, you can replace and fix it with less effort, time and money. For my Outlander 2007, I ordered the spare weather strip online from rushop.com. My order arrived after 10 days. The packaging is very good and the weather strips are brand new and in very good condition. These weather strips cost me only $98.28 AUD. The quality is very good and is an exact replacement for my car's weather strip. The edges and trimming are good. There is a hole for fixing the screw in. The rubber seal are intact and no damages. So, to start replacing it, the window has to be open. For front window, there is only one screw at the back of the door. Remove the screw with a Phillips screwdriver. The weather strip molding is made of plastic, so it is not hard to undo the screw. Then you can easily pull up the weather strip by your hand. Here is the old weather strip. It is better to use a hand gloves because the rubber is breaking apart and soiling. The rainwater can go inside the door panel through the window. And it is the same when you wash your car. The water can go in between. First, comparing with the old strips, snip about 6 mm from both ends of the new strip. You have to do this for each strip for all windows. Start to the front of the strip first and then slide it forward. Make sure that it is properly fitted into the slot close to the side mirror. Then push the strip downwards to make it seated on the window. Then that's it. Finished. Now, let's do the rear right-hand side weather strip. There are two screws. First is near the door handle, and the second is near the door hinge. Then open the window. Remove the first Phillips screw. Then remove the second Phillips screw. Then you just easily pull out the strip outside. Start from front to back of the strip. Take a look on the old weather strip on how bad the condition of it. Before installing the new ones, ensure to compare and snip the ends of the strip. Clean first the window where the strip is to be seated. Then install the new weather strip. Align the hole of fixing screws on both ends. Push it down and ensure it is properly seated. Put on the two screws of the strip. Do not over-tighten to avoid damaging the strip's plastic molding. It looks very nice when it is already installed. It feels like the wrinkles on its forehead has gone. Pretty cool with the new weather strip. Remove the two screws of the old weather strip. Then start pulling out the strip from side to side. Then pull it upward. Clean first the surface before installing the new ones. Compare and snip both ends of the new strip. Then install it. Align and push it downwards. Put on the first screw. Then the second screw. After removing the only one screw of the front left weather strip, pull out the strip upwards. Then after cleaning the surface, install the new ones. Push it downwards and flatten and fix it with the screw inside. That's it. That is how easy to replace the weather strip and to save. All these old weather strips go to the bin.